Hello everyone, this is CM. I am making cabbage meatball. So these are the ingredients that you're seeing. I have one onion here. You can use any onion. I have one bell pepper. These are cut in half. I have half cabbage. I'll have 2 pounds of ground beef added to it. Uh, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 and a half salt or to the taste. I will have one Maggi or half according to how you like it. You can choose to add rice, a cup of rice in it, or you can do without rice. And if you have eggs, you can put 1 or 2 eggs in it too, because eggs can bind it better. So when I finish grating my vegetable, I will see you on the other side. Thank you. Hello friends, these are my ingredients for the cabbage meatball. I already put everything. I added rice in mine, like half a cup of rice. I got 2 pounds of ground beef. Got cabbage, grated cabbage with all the pepper, the bell pepper, and I put 2 cloves of garlic in it. And all that ingredient I put all together. Now I'm going to mix them. Everything is inside here already. Salt. I'm going to mix them and make them into ball. I'll show you in a bit. So this is my cabbage meatball. It's all, I put them all now in my pan. So I'm going to put in the oven now. Hello lovely people. This is my cabbage meatball. It's ready. I cook it on a slow oven roast for like an hour and 30 minutes. Now it's ready. So to serve it, I will make tomato with bell peppers and onion sauce, and we'll serve with that and any side dish. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Hi guys, this is now how when I mix all my ingredients, that's how they look. It's not too much beef, so you get protein and vegetable, and it's healthy. I'm going to make them into balls now and place them in a cooking pan. Anyway, in a bit. Hi, so this is the finished work of the cabbage meatball. I have the sauce and I serve it with bean on the side, so more protein. Anyway, thank you for watching. Try it, you will thank me.